You use Claude Code every day, but you repeat the same brief: review my code, test it, plan it. What if a helper just owned that? That is a specialized agent. You set it up once, then it works on its own. Think of a small team: a reviewer for clean code, a tester for the bugs, a researcher for the facts, each one a true specialist. You describe the role once, then the agent runs it alone. Picture a real teammate. You give the job, it brings the report. An agent owns one job. It keeps its own context. It does not lose your main thread. A sub-agent owns one job. It works, then it reports back. You write the brief. The agent does the work. Give it a role to play. Give it tools it can touch. Get a clean report back. So why does this matter? You stop repeating yourself. One brief reused forever. Stop saying the same thing. Let an agent own the task. One clear job to do. Its own private context. It always reports back. Try it yourself. Type Claude/agents create. Name it like code reviewer. Now you have a reusable specialist. So that is your own agent. Next up, drive Claude Code from your phone. A great idea hits you on the bus, but your laptop is at home. The build will have to wait. What if it did not have to? You can drive Claude Code from your phone. Send the task from anywhere. Your machine does the rest. Think of your dev box on call, your phone in your hand, the cloud in the middle, your machine doing the work. All three working as one. You send the task from your phone. Your machine handles the building. Picture coding from your bed or from a chai stall outside class. Your code fits in your pocket. You steer with simple taps. The heavy lifting stays remote. You run Claude Code from your phone. It builds anywhere you are. The phone is how you steer. The machine is what builds. Reach your own Mac remotely or spin up a cloud box. Then review and approve on your phone. So why does this matter? You never lose a moment. Ideas turn into code instantly. No desk needed at all. Build from a chai stall. Send tasks from anywhere. Approve them on the go. The work runs in the cloud. Try it yourself. Type Claude-remote. Add your task in quotes. Your machine builds while you travel. So that is mobile Claude Code. Next up, command a fleet of agents. You have come a long way. One agent already saves you hours. But why stop at just one? You can command a whole fleet. Pick the strongest engine first, then run many agents at once. This is the expert move. Think of an orchestra. A front-end agent on the screens, a back-end agent on the data, a test agent on the bugs, each playing its own part. You hand out the jobs. The agents run in parallel. Picture yourself as the conductor. Opus 4.8 powers the whole band. With Opus, you go wider. Many agents, all at the same time. You direct, they perform. Opus 4.8 runs agents in parallel. You stay in control of it all. You are the conductor. The fleet are your players. First pick the Opus model. Then split one job per agent. Finally, merge the work together. So why does this matter? One helper is already good. A whole team ships far faster. One helper is good. A team ships faster. The strongest model leads. Agents work in parallel. You orchestrate them all. Try it yourself. Run Claude with model Opus-4.8. Then ask it to orchestrate. Watch your fleet build at once. You finished the whole series. Next up, you finished. Keep building.